Hey guys, we've got the best car on the channel back in here, and today we're doing 5 things I love about my EP3. Guys, if you've not already, please subscribe to our channel and head over to the video where we install Rob's new bumper on his MX-5, as we're doing a giveaway on that video of one of these Sam's Detailing sample kits. This is for the UK only, and we'll post it out to you wherever you are in the UK. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, comment on the video, and one of them comments will win you the prize. Number 1, I absolutely love VTEC. I used to be one of them people that always took the mick out of the Honda boys because they always went on about VTEC all the time. Now I've owned a Civic Type R and I've experienced VTEC for myself, I am completely in love with it. I'll probably take VTEC over a turbo now, so I mean I probably wouldn't, but VTEC is amazing and I really actually love it. So that's number 1, always go for VTEC. Number 2, readily available spares. Things like this rocker cover. Mine is looking a bit worse for wear, so I bought this one second hand from a Breakers up in Birmingham, and he has absolutely everything you could need for a Civic. They're always breaking them because so many people crash them, but it's good for people like us that drive sensibly because we get cheap things like this. These were going for about £100 on eBay. I think I picked it up for about 40 quid, and I've just stripped the paint off ready to respray the colour that I want. But anything you need, there's always spares available, and there's loads and loads of Breakers that deal in these cars. Number 3 is looks and styling. I know my grille and my wing aren't the best, but they do look quite cool. And I think this era of Honda and sort of like the early 2000s Japanese cars, I think they're the best looking cars. The wheels that I got, I think are spot on. I think they fit really well. They're off Evo, so once again another iconic Japanese car. Everything, it looks a bit like a bread van, but I just love the way they look. And that's all I got to say about that. Number 4. These cars are really easy to work on. They go together like Lego, literally. Unbolt one thing, bolt another thing on, done. Previously, I've owned many cars. 350Z, that was the worst car I've ever owned to work on. No room in the engine bay whatsoever. These, everything's at the front, accessible, easy to do. Suspension, easy to do. It's all bolt on, bolt off. Wheels, easy to change. Don't like that, take it off, put that one on. These cars are great if you want to get into modifying. Number 5, I love how fun these cars are to drive. I know in my 5 things I hate about the Civic, I mentioned that they are incredibly slow when outside of VTEC, but the amount of fun you have when you drive this, even if you're just popping down to the shops, you always put your foot down and have a laugh. I've always said it's smiles per gallon rather than miles per gallon. But yeah, just throwing it through the gears, hitting the red line every time, hitting VTEC every gear, you have so much fun. And for the money that you pay for these cars, I know they're going up in value now, but the money you pay, you won't have much more fun than in a Civic Type R. Thanks for watching, guys. Those were the 5 things that I love about my Honda Civic Type R. There are obviously other things that I love about it, but they're the top 5 things that I love. So thanks for watching. Make sure you please like and subscribe, and we will be doing that giveaway very soon. So keep subscribing, keep liking. 200 subscribers, giveaway time. Thank you very much for watching.